Certo versus Dr. Fone, which is right for you? We'll compare these top-rated data recovery and mobile management tools. Links are below. Certo excels at iPhone data recovery, plus offers robust privacy features. Recover lost photos, messages, contacts, and app data directly from iPhones, iCloud, and iTunes backups. Certo prioritizes security, letting you manage app permissions, remove sensitive data, and even hide apps. Its user-friendly interface makes data recovery simple, perfect for iPhone users wanting an easy, reliable solution. Dr. Fone offers a wider range of features for both iOS and Android. This comprehensive tool covers data recovery, system repair, phone backup, transfer, and data erasure. Recover photos, videos, contacts, messages, and app data from iPhones and Androids. A standout feature is recovering data from damaged phones. Dr. Fone also recovers social media app data, including WhatsApp. So, Certo is ideal for iPhone users wanting simple, secure data recovery and privacy management. Dr. Fone, with broader compatibility and advanced features like device repair and backup, is better for users needing a versatile tool, especially those with both iOS and Android devices or requiring advanced recovery. Check the description for links and more details.